Hello. When you think of fidget spinner, you think of 12-year-olds and cringe. I just happened to make one. I would never buy one myself. It's too mainstream. Damn, I sound like a hipster. Anyways, it's from floppy disk drive. But it looks pretty sick. Well, I just thought, how could I make this a bit less cringe? So here's my solution. Ah yes, one more thing. There we go. Here we go. That's one way to do it. I hope that made this a little bit less cringe. Oh yeah, one more thing. I said one more thing. Don't do this at home, kids.